In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you add swipe up to WhatsApp on your Facebook story. Adding a swipe up to your WhatsApp link in your Facebook story is essential for directing viewers to relevant content or actions seamlessly. This integration enhances engagement, streamlines communication, and boosts the effectiveness of your social media marketing efforts. On your Facebook story. To add this feature of chat on WhatsApp, simply tap on the sticker icon right here. You will then see the option of WhatsApp. As you see this donate button, it's the same way you will see the sticker of WhatsApp. You will just have to put in your WhatsApp account link and then it will get added. You might be wondering why I don't have the WhatsApp option. It's because this feature is only available whenever you are running a Facebook campaign or advert. Whenever you pay Facebook for an advertisement, you will see the option of adding your WhatsApp link as a swipe up on your Facebook story. That's how easy it is to add swipe up to head into your WhatsApp on Facebook story. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.